Okay, today I'm working on my wife's car, the 2003 Chevy Trailblazer. The problem I'm having is it has a slight rough idle sometimes, poor fuel economy. I'm hoping that it's just as simple as changing the fuel filter. So that's what the video is about today, just changing the fuel filter. So first thing you want to do to release the pressure, you're just going to start it. You're going to pull the relay for the fuel pump, which if you look on your fuse box, number 41 fuel pump. So I'm just going to pull this one. I'm just going to let it die, and that should just release all the pressure out of the fuel system. Not all of it, but it should release some of it. So next thing you want to do, just in case there's pressure in the fuel tank, just take your gas cap off for a minute, put it back on. And then I believe on 2002, 2004 models, the fuel filter is just on the frame rail, just in front of the fuel tank. So and this is the fuel filter, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to disconnect the lines and take that out and replace it. Okay guys, so I'm going to try to, let's show them over here, this filter. So this is the new fuel filter. This just this it in here. What I'm trying to do is, you got these little clips inside the hoses, and that kind of holds the hose on to the fuel filter. Here, you looking at me? And what you got to do is you just got to pinch this part on the plastic piece and pull the hose off carefully. They're probably a little brittle. And then down here I got a drain pan, because there is going to be a little bit of residual fuel in there. So let's see if I can. It's kind of tight. There's a little too much pressure in there. Okay, there's a little more pressure than I thought, so okay, I got that one. Now I'm going to get the next clip. This one's a little tougher, but trying to get this plastic mount loose without breaking it. So I'm just trying to get this, see if I can get this out a little bit where I can pull the hose off a little easier. Just pay attention to the orientation of the hoses. Make sure you put them back in the same direction. one off. So this one's labeled out, and this one must be in. So I'm just gonna hook it back up on the. So you just need to make sure these little clips are in the right position for the hoses here. I got the fuel filter back in. I'm just trying to put this little strap on it. It's really tight down here, so if you break this, just get a good zip tie and put down there. It's not a big deal. But I try and be very careful with this plastic because the plastic gets so brittle down here. And then okay, I need to pause it. Okay, we're gonna put the relay back in for the fuel pump. I'm gonna come over here and we're just gonna turn the key on. And we're just going to cycle it a couple times just to build up pressure. And I'm just going to leave it on and let's look for leaks underneath. Check for leaks. Sure. These lines. Is there anything coming out of them?
Nope.
They dry?
Yeah.
Okay, so we should be good. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up.